So welcome back to our UVA training series. So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to solve this question, which is the UVA 454 questions. So let's see the question statement. An anagram is a word or phrase formed by rearranging the letters of another word and phrase. So for example, cart horse is an anagram of orchestra because the letter used in orchestra are also used in the cart horse, which they have the same letters. Blanks within a phrase are ignored in forming anagrams. Thus, orchestra and horse, empty space, card are also anagrams. So we don't have to care the space as long as the letters are the same. So write a program that reads a list of phrase and prints a pair of all pairs of anagrams occurring in the list. So input will consist from 1 to 100 lines. A complete and or empty blank space signals to the end of input. Each line constitutes one phrase. So the input is as following. Each line you have one phrase. So it consists of 1 to 100 lines of, or 1 to 100 phrases. So the output some number of lines, including possibly if there are no anagrams in the list, each line containing two anagram phrases separated by equal. So you need to find out whether the phrases are the same anagram or not. If yes, then you need to print out. So each anagram should be printed exactly once, and the order of two phrases within a printed pair must be lexicographic, as well as the first phrase and the second phrase in case some first are equal. So the meaning here is that you can only print out the pair once, which means that if you have cut horse and horse card, and if you have horse card without blank space, then you should print exactly once. So the order of two phrases must be less lexicographic, which means that this must be smaller than this, right? Okay, so let's see. Alright, so let's see the code. So first we read the input, then we get the number of words that we want to read, which is stated in the input here. So the input is slightly different as I have tried in the questions. So first you print out the test case. Then next you need to read all of the phrases into an array list, but we have no idea whether the array list, how big is the array list, the phrases, so we use array list here. Then next we convert it into string array, and because the question say the output must be print at lexicographic order, so then we need to sort them. So later when we try to search for the anagrams with the face, then it will be in lexicographic order. Then next we will get the key and store it into a key array. And next we will perform search. Let's say I have car horse here, so I only search for the following phrases. So if I have horse here, then I only search the phrases below after sorting. Then if we found the key of two phrases are the same, then we will display it. But before display, for sure we also need to sort them to ensure the sequence is correct. So I will put it into a string array first, or in this case I put a array list because I have no idea whether how many string I'm going to display. And then I sort a array list which contain the list of phrase equals to phrase to display. So I sort them. Then next I add it to the string. Then later I display it. So in fact the sample input here is not correct. It should be something like this one. Instead of text space. Then have some phrases. Then have another phrase. And so on. So it should be something like this. Okay, so this is small corrections for these questions. So for the pre-process part of getting the key, as I explained in earlier videos, we are getting the sorted letters from this phrase. Let's say we have horse. So I will sort it. So I will sort it into here. After that, I also got this. So we can this is the key for car horse, and this is also the key for horse cart. So by having the same key, we can conclude that they are anagrams. So this is how we check the anagram of the phrases. So that's it for this question. So that's it for these questions. If you have any problem, please leave a comment here, and see you in next video.